Hi, today I want to talk to you about the brand new NOX V3 from M-Elec. The NOX V3 range comes in models that are available anywhere from 15 watts all the way to 600 watts at 158 lumens per watt. That is highly efficient, highly powerful, and weighing in at less than 16 kilo. It truly trumps its rivals. The NOX V3 range, of course, comes with M-Elec's offset bracket design, so that you don't need to remove the bracket to simply install the floodlight. You right, Brian? Have a little trouble? Do you want a hand? Maybe three? M-Elec has increased the range, which of course means it goes 15 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, 80 watt, 100 watts, 150 watts, 230 watt, 300 watt, 460 watts, and of course, the 600 watter. The two models that are co-joined are the 600 watt and the 46 watt, as almost like a twin pack. You notice on the back, we've actually got 2 points which you can junction box. And these points here are of course joined by Anaconda protected cable. We also include a meter of Anaconda protection so that you can install these and not have to worry about the cockatoos. Some extra new features that are really nifty and cool include the fact that we've got entry points on multiple fittings that are 20 millimeters. That means that you can loop in, loop out. You can just pop in a 20 mil gland to make your installations as customized as you want. 304 grade stainless steel fittings, screws, on the front and the back. We've removed the plug off the end at your request, and of course we've made it super easy to fit off with a NOX box. You asked for accessories? We'll give you accessories. Brackets! Brackets to suit spigot, adjustable mount spigot with both square and round entry, and of course, round and square pole adapters. Did someone say lenses? Type 3, Type 4, and of course our original 120 degrees by 90 degree beam angle lenses are available on multiple models. IP65, IK10, watch the video above if you like that. And did someone say Axonoble powder coating? And now, microwave and PE sensor are adaptable on the front of many fittings. Simply remove the insert microwave sensor or PE sensor straight into the front of the fitting, rotate it around to get an IP rating, and voila! Once you do the wiring, microwave and or a PE sensor. NOX 8 all the way up to NOX 60 are all 0 to 10 and 1 to 10 dimmable.